Alright, so today is day 25. So now we still have to click that start button. So the Nautilus application development team has been working on a project repository. So repository name is optbetap.git. This repo is cloned at US or SRC cloud repos on storage server in Stratos DC. They recently shared the following requirements with the DevOps team. So we know how to create a new branch. The branch name is DevOps DevOps in specific repo, US or SRC cloud repos /beater repo from the master. So we're gonna have to create from the master branch and copy tmp index.html file present on the storage server into the repo. Further add commit this file in the new branch and merge back the branch into master branch. Finally, push the changes to the origin for both the branches. Alright, so we're gonna go to the storage server because here that repo is located on the storage server. So storage server username is Natasha and host name is ststOR01. Alright, I will copy its password. So we use SSH and ATASH in Natasha at STSTOR. I will say yes. I paste the password. Alright, now we are on the storage server. So let me check this. So before we check that, let me change sudo -i for root user privilege. Let me check this repository directory ls-ld. Yeah, we see the repo. So let me go there using cd. Alright, now we are in the Git repository. So let me take Git branch. So now we are on the master branch. So let me create a new branch, DevOps. So cd git checkout is creating for a new branch, and we will change into directly after creating. So we use -b and DEVOPS DevOps. So now we check in the Git branch and branch. So now we are on the DevOps branch. So and then we're gonna have to copy the tmp index.html file to this current repo, to the new repo. So before we copy, let me check that file. So that file is located with this specific directory. Is the correct, right? So we copy that file. So we use cp and we use this source file. So where do we have to copy that file? So we have to copy that file to this beater usr src cloud repos beater repository. So this is a destination directory. So now we are on that directory, right? So we will use period. So this is current directory, right? We don't need to write everything, right? Because now we are within the Vita directory, innermost directory. Alright, so I will copy that file. So let me check it out right now. So you will see the index.html file is right there within the Vita directory, repo directory. Alright, so and further add commit this file in the new branch. So merge back to that branch, to the master branch. So alright, so how do we do that? So we add git add index.html to the file, and we create git commit. So for making new commit, we use message. So add index.html. This is commit message. Alright, so and we're gonna have to merge back to that branch into the master branch. So for merging with the master branch, we will have to go to the master branch again using git chat arc and master. Alright, so git branch. So now we are on the master branch, and then we will merge with this DevOps branch because that new commit is on the DevOps branch. So git merge DevOps. Right, so let me chat and key log one line. So the same applies here, right? So on the master branch, either you will see that new commit at index.html. So and finally, we push the changes to the origin for both of the branches. So let me push to the origin. So git push origin. So now which branch? Now we are on the master branch. So we put master. So we will write master. We push origin master. And we will go back to the DevOps branch. And we will push origin again. So this time the branch name is DevOps, right? So dev. So that's it. So we check it out and click confirm. So yeah, we successfully finished. Alright, we are done here. So I will stop that right there, right here. Stop the last session and click yes. No issue faced. Submit. Alright, so thanks for watching. I will catch you in the next video.